Now see in this question, a body of mass 0.8 kg is moving with initial velocity 4I plus 3j meter per second, which changes into minus 6I plus 2k meter per second. Calculate change in kinetic energy. Here this question is actually on the different concept here, but it is based on actually change in kinetic energy. So, we know m is equal to 0.8 kg. So, initial velocity we can write u is equal to 4I cap plus 3j cap. So, magnitude of this is equal to, it is here 16 plus 9 is equal to 5 meter per second. Similarly, we can get magnitude of final velocity is equal to minus 6 square plus 2 square, that is under root of 40 meter per second. So, this is the magnitude of initial speed, this is the magnitude of final speed. We have to get change in kinetic energy. So, change in kinetic energy is equal to half m v square minus u square, that is half 0.8 here under root of 40 square minus 5 square, that is equal to 6 joule. So, this is the change in kinetic energy. So, just I have used here simply the formula of the change in kinetic energy, and these concepts are from the vector where we have to calculate the magnitude of the initial and final speeds.